A woman was gunned down in the volatile Tucker community in St. James. The deceased has been identified as Andrea Anson, a 34-year-old business operator from the community. Reports are that about 7 p.m. Anson was in a business place in the community when she was attacked and shot multiple times. She was later pronounced dead. 2 men were shot and killed during a home invasion by unknown gunmen in Roehampton, St. James Wednesday night. Reports are that the police were summoned after residents heard gunshots coming from a section of the community. Upon their arrival, the police found the 2 men in a house suffering from gunshot wounds. The men were transported to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. This is the second murder in the community in 48 hours. The Kingston Central Police has identified the person below as a person of interest. He is asked to report to the Central Criminal Investigations Branch by 5 p.m. on Thursday, June 1. Anyone with information that can assist the police in locating him is being asked to contact detectives or Police 119 emergency number, Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station, local authorities said in a release.
Why would the government spend billions of dollars to change currency to a new, durable banknote that we don't have to be changing it ever so often, only to turn around and take it out of the system? Don't you see it is stupidness? But the number of people who have followed it gets me worried about what Jamaicans are consuming as information. I'm worried. Where is our reasoning? And why is it so simple for us to be attracted by rumors? As your Prime Minister, I have a duty to call it out when I see it. We have spent money to put in place a new, durable note that accounts for the inflation in the society, the convenience of the notes that you need to make payment, and then to just turn around and say, no, come on, it's stupid.